destination beach wedding still remains one of the biggest trends in weddings today. Set on the stunning white sandy beach of Atlantis Paradise Island in Nassau, this was the famed wedding of Rob and Amber, winners of the popular television show Survivor. Their ceremony took place on a sandy knoll under the arbor that was heavily encrusted with seashells, faux pearls and white carnations. The ceremony table, used for a special hand-washing ceremony, featured a large clamshell with linens that were trimmed in garlands of starfish and pearls. The aisle was serpentine-shaped with aisle stanchions made with lush garlands, hanging candles and seashells. Guests were seated on upholstered pods in different shades of sea sand. As guests entered the ceremony area, they walked through an archway fashioned with beautiful teal-colored silk ribbon, where each guest had written a wish, allowing Rob and Amber to walk through the collective wishes of their family and loved ones. Following the beach ceremony, guests were given chilled damp towels to wipe the sand off their feet, put on their evening shoes, and follow a gospel choir that led them poolside for a romantic dinner. Here guests were seated at long dinner tables dressed in cream linen and trimmed with puka shell fringe. The tablescape was made of candles, hurricanes and votives. Lush succulents, orchids and seashells completed the look. Each place setting was anchored with a turquoise-colored charger plate and a wine goblet of my own design. Above the metallic painted dance floor, a myriad of mirrored disco balls and beautiful Chinese lanterns illuminated the setting. As the sun set, the candles and lights came alive, paving the way for the guests to have a memorable and fun-filled party. The bars were set up to keep the party fueled well into the night, and eventually, Rob and Amber cut an incredible, whimsical, ocean-themed wedding cake. And finally, a Bahamian Junkanoo band performed, which got guests on their feet and turned the party into high gear. This was an evening at the Atlantis Paradise Island they'll never forget.